Looking for the best, they're truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best PSU cable available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Asia Horse PSU cable. This upgraded 16 AWG PSU cable extension stands out for both performance and aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for PC enthusiasts who value clean cable management and reliable power delivery. The thicker 16 AWG conductors provide lower electrical resistance, helping reduce heat buildup while ensuring stable and efficient power transmission to high-performance components. Its unique black-pink nylon braided design not only enhances the visual appeal of custom builds, but also offers exceptional flexibility, making installation and routing much easier, even in compact cases. The included cable combs keep every strand neatly aligned, maintaining a professional appearance over time without sagging or shifting. Another highlight is the precision-engineered black-pink connector, which addresses common connection issues by delivering a secure, snug fit. Combining durability, functionality, and premium styling, this cable extension is a practical upgrade that improves both the look and reliability of any gaming or workstation PC build. Next up, we have SD Fab PSU cable. This PSU cable extension kit delivers an impressive combination of performance, aesthetics, and build quality, making it a valuable upgrade for gaming and high-performance PC builds. The highly conductive terminals ensure stable and reliable power transmission, which is especially important for demanding graphics cards and processors operating under heavy workloads. Power delivery remains consistent, helping support smooth gaming sessions and intensive rendering tasks. Visually, the extensions enhance the overall appearance of the system by creating a clean, customized look that integrates seamlessly with modern PC components. The included cable combs keep wires neatly aligned, reducing clutter while improving airflow throughout the case for better thermal efficiency. With a practical 30 centimeters length, the cables offer ample flexibility for cable routing without creating excess bulk. The durable PET sleeving provides excellent protection against wear while maintaining a premium finish, making these extensions an ideal choice for builders seeking both functionality and professional-grade aesthetics. Coming in at number 3, Surler PSU cable. This GPU power cable extension is a thoughtfully designed upgrade that combines reliable performance with exceptional cable management. Featuring gold-plated connectors, it delivers stable and efficient power transmission, making it well-suited for high-performance graphics cards that demand consistent power under heavy gaming or rendering workloads. The extended 34 centimeters, 13-inch length provides excellent flexibility for full tower and custom PC cases, allowing cleaner routing without stretching or stressing the cables. One of its standout features is the innovative pre-bent design, which significantly simplifies installation and naturally follows common routing paths, reducing clutter and creating a more professional-looking build. The flexible nylon braided sleeve further enhances durability while making cable positioning easier. Additionally, the pre-installed high-precision black cable combs keep individual wires perfectly aligned, improving airflow and maintaining a tidy appearance over time. Now at number 4, Foz Gear PSU cable. This PCIe 5.0 12 VHPWR power cable is an excellent solution for enthusiasts running the latest high-performance graphics cards, offering both reliability and simplified cable management. Designed specifically for fully modular power supplies, it delivers clean and stable power directly to demanding GPUs such as the RTX 4090, 4080, 4070Ti, 3090Ti, and newer RTX 50 series models, including the 5090, 5080, 5070, and 5070Ti. By utilizing a direct 12 VHPWR to 12 VHPWR connection, the cable eliminates the need for bulky adapters, reducing cable clutter while ensuring efficient power delivery. The streamlined single cable design helps create a cleaner build and improves airflow inside the case. Build quality is impressive, with sturdy connectors engineered to maintain a secure connection even under heavy gaming, AI processing, or rendering workloads. Finally, our last pick, TechWare PSU cable. This ARGB cable lighting kit is an outstanding upgrade for PC builders who want to elevate the visual impact of their system without sacrificing a clean and professional appearance. Designed to create bright, uniform illumination across 24-pin motherboard cables and 8-pin or 16-pin GPU power cables, it delivers a premium lighting effect that instantly enhances the look of any gaming rig. The durable silicone construction allows for smooth bends and effortless cable routing while maintaining a polished finish. Compatibility with standard 5V 3-pin ARGB headers ensures seamless integration with most modern motherboards and lighting controllers, enabling synchronized effects across fans, coolers, and other RGB components. Support for popular RGB software makes customization simple, offering a wide range of colors, animations, and brightness settings to match any theme. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.